In order to meet its requirement for main battle tanks, attack helicopters and air defense systems, the Brazilian Army General Thomas Miguel witnessed a firepower demonstration of several Indian-built weapon platforms at the Pokhran firing range. During the demonstration, India showcased the capability of the Arjun tank, Rudra attack helicopter and Akash missile system, and the Brazilian military delegation were highly impressed with the indigenous systems, especially the Arjun tank. US firm Honeywell has expressed its keen interest in participating in India's upcoming 5th-generation AMCA program. Honeywell has developed a sophisticated power and thermal management system for the F-35, and the company is now exploring potential roles in the AMCA project. The former head of the National Flight Test Center has said that the Tejas MK1A already possesses the operational capabilities of the Tejas Mk2, and it can carry similar equipment and systems, and he stressed that channeling resources into the Tejas Mk2 program could lead to delays in the development of the 5th-generation AMCA, which holds a higher priority for the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force has announced that it has signed 2 contracts with an Indian vendor for the supply of air-delivered munitions for its fighter jets. While the Air Force has not named the weapon, it is expected to be the upgraded variant of the Gaurav Glide weapon with 150 km range and the Gautham Glide bomb with 50 km range that are designed especially for engagement of targets from outside the range of standard anti-aircraft defenses. The first picture of the Warmate Loitering Drones of the Indian Army have emerged on social media, 100 units of which was delivered by the Polish firm WB Electronics in June 2022. It has a range of 40 kilometers, a maximum attack speed of 150 kilometers per hour, and can be equipped with different warhead types including the formidable high-explosive and thermobaric warheads. During the visit of UAE Navy delegation to INS Hunza in Goa, the Israeli Rampage air-to-surface missile was spotted for the first time, that is operational with Indian Navy's MiG-29K. The Indian Air Force has also equipped the Rampage missile on its Su-30 aircraft. It has a range of 250 kilometers and is designed to hit high-value targets such as radar installations, communications centers, weapons storage facilities and airfields. Chinese Army has erected a sophisticated early warning radar in close proximity to the line of actual control. China has strategically positioned the flat bowl early warning radar within the hilly terrain at 100 kilometers in the illegally occupied Tibet region, that allows it to maintain a safe distance from the line of actual control, but it is still within reach of the 200 kilometers range Rudra 1 anti-radiation missile.
Omar dropped it.